I'm Libby Chivers and this is Preseli Venture. My title is Activities and Events Manager and also an instructor. Preseli Venture, we've got an eco lodge which sleeps up to 40 people, so people can come along just for a bit of accommodation, or people can come along for adventures as well. They can stay with us for a couple of days, a weekend, a week, or they can just pop along for an adventure for a half day or a whole day. Our adventures include sea kayaking, surfing, coast steering and walking along the beautiful coastal path that we have here. We run right from February right through until November, depending on what people want and need and how cold it is. And occasionally we do a New Year's event as well, even in December. So people come and jump in the sea on New Year's Day, which is always quite refreshing, I think. Coast steering was kind of first commercially done in Wales about 25 odd years ago. Coast steering involves the combination of climbing around on the rocks, scrambling through kind of areas, jumping into the sea, getting washed around in the swells and playing and exploring through caves and having a look at some wildlife and things along the way. We sometimes have beautiful birds, they come and breed and we can get the chance to see them when you're in the water, and seals as well in September and October when they're breeding. Coast steering, I think my dad explained, was extreme rock pooling and most of the things that your parents told you not to do along the coastline. So it's very good fun. And then surfing, I mean, we've got 5 or 6 beaches that we can choose from. So if people are just beginning to surf and stuff, learning to surf, then it's a fantastic location. We've got some really friendly beaches that just mean people can learn to surf and not get too eaten by the waves. I've been here nearly 7 years and I'm still discovering new things. There's so many little coves and bays, amazing kind of array of things on offer, from, you know, walking, the coast steering and all of the things we offer here. And then all the other extra things that are around, you know, horse riding, kiting and all of these other sports that are just so easily accessible and just a beautiful part of the world to do it in. I've totally fallen in love with Pembrokeshire.